First of all, I just want to apologize for my last video. I realized that the volume was really low, so I apologize for that. But let's move on with this video. Again, very sorry about that. So let's go on with Nokia. So if you don't recognize the name Nokia, it's probably because you're young, but Nokia was really big back in like 2004, 2003-ish, like that era. They were a big telephone company. Like they made phones. They made these type of phones. Yeah, they're really old. But a little information about Nokia is that they are located in Karakari, Finland. Their website is nokia.com. Their sector is technology, of course. Their industry is communication equipment. They're involved in 5G programs for the US government. Their CEO is Pekka Lundmark. Nokia has a market cap of 26.75 billion. The average volume is 33 million. The 52-week range is $2.34 to 5.14, which I believe it was broken today. You're not too late into Nokia, at least I don't believe so. Like I said, you're not too late in Nokia. Look at the price target that the analysts have, and this is not taking into consideration that Wall Street bets is pumping this stock. Nokia, BlackBerry, and GameStop are being pumped up by Wall Street bets. So I would not short this, and if you guys decide to short this, I'll be very careful. But it's a decent it's a fairly decent cheap stock. It's currently trading about $5, but the price target that the analysts have is, I'm sorry, there's a typo. The low is $3.59. The high is $5, and the average price target for Nokia is $4.33. My mistake on the target, but I believe that Nokia could go all the way up to 10, maybe 15 if Wall Street bets pumps this like they did. Like look at GameStop. It hit today 150 something, I believe 159 I think, and it came back down. But just look how crazy it is. It was $20 just a few days ago. So Nokia is involved in 5G projects with the US government. Other than that, I don't think there's anything that's changed recently on the company. I was not able to find any insider activity on the sites that I usually get my information from. Long term, I wouldn't trade it for long term, just because of the fact, like I said, they're only involved in 5G projects, like cybersecurity projects. Other than that, I don't think Nokia has anything going on for them other than that. So long term, I would not trade it. Less than 6 months, I still wouldn't trade it. I just don't see the value in the company. Like I feel like you can get your money's worth somewhere else. But here's how I'm playing it, and here's my advice to you. This is just my opinion. I am not a financial advisor, so do your own DD, please. So you want to trade it. It's got like Nokia is gonna blow up soon. We don't know when, but soon. And the way I would play it is I would try to buy shares in the range of $4.50 to $5. Don't rush in. Just hold. Just wait for dips. I'll buy shares and I will hold until I see the stock being 30-40% up. Then I will probably sell. Just keep a few stocks just to let it run, but I would sell most of my profit. I wouldn't hold for longer than 2 weeks. If you want to play it with options though, I would buy the February 19th $5 strike calls, or the 6 or the 7 strike calls. I'm personally in the February 19th $5 strike calls. I got it when I personally got into the Nokia $5 strike calls for February 19, but I got in today at around 11:15. I got a few contracts. I got 5 contracts for 55 cents each, or $55 each, and I'm up right now. I'm not selling until this stock hits. I'm not selling until this stock goes above $7. Let's take a look at the chart. As you can see, this is the 4-hour chart. You can see that ever since their last conference call, earnings, they've been on a slight uptrend till the beginning of December. Then they took a breather, and then they've been trying to get back at it again, slowly but steady. And on the 18th, we started seeing this stock taking off. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. As you can see, this stock started taking off. Today went at 4. I went from 420 and is now trading at 533. I see this stock going up to $7. Right now, we have broken the resistance that we had. So we've broken the resistance. So right now we broke it. So right now we're all time highs, and this stock can go anywhere. We have no idea where this stock can just keep taking off. Look at BlackBerry, look at GameStop. This is Wall Street Bets next meme stock. So I don't suggest putting all your money, selling your house, putting all your money into this stock. But I do recommend putting a little bit of your money into Nokia in the short term. Again, I'm not holding the calls for more than a week or two. If you found this information helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want me to do any company that you're interested in, leave it in the comments, and I would try to cover that stock. Have a great day, and don't forget to stay woke, you guys.